So there is no doubt that Instagram is one of the greatest platforms that interior designers can leverage to grow their own interior designing business, their own brand online. And if you are not leveraging the Instagram to its full extent and you are still struggling to generate leads and sales for your interior designing business using the social media platform, and the best social media platform for your business is Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 strategies how you can grow your interior designing business, and in the part 2, I'm going to talk about 5 more strategies. So this is going to be the 2 part of the video, so I hope you're gonna love this video. So without wasting a single second, let's get started. So the first most important thing while building your interior designing business, your personal brand around interior designing online, the most important thing you need to focus on is your content, because content is king and engagement is the queen. And if you are not uploading the engaging content and content with the good context, then you're not gonna able to win this battle, win this game of Instagram marketing and building your brand online. There are lots of different types of content strategies you can use, and I'm not saying that you need to upload daily content, you need to upload daily 2 to 3 posts, 10 to 15 stories. No, you don't need to do that. This is the niche where you need to focus more on quality than on quantity. You don't need to post 3 times, 5 times a day. If you post just 3 times a week, which is sufficient, you don't need to worry about all those things. So the first most important thing, focus on the quality over quantity. Second, you need to plan your content strategy. Sit for one whole day in front of your laptop, open the Excel sheet and decide on which day what type of content you are going to upload. There are lots of different type of content strategies you can use on your profile. So yeah, this is something that you can do very well. And at the end of this video, I have a special surprise and giveaway for all of you. So if you watch till this video till then, you're gonna love that. Second most important strategy that you need to use is implementing the proper hashtag strategies. There are lots of different types of hashtags, small hashtag, medium size hashtag, geo hashtags. There are lots of different types of hashtags you can use. You can use minimum 30 hashtags in every single post. And the pro tip here I would like to give you is, don't use hashtags in your caption. Post your hashtags in the comment section. So here you can use like 10 large hashtag, 10 medium and 10 small. You can include geolocation hashtag, like let's say if you are interior designers from New York, so NYC interior designer. If you are from Boston, hashtag Boston interior designer. If you are from London, hashtag London interior designer. These are some of the geolocation hashtags you can use, and always add your location on your post also, which is very important and you must do this. Third most important thing that 90% or more than that interior designers are not doing to grow their own social media handle, especially Instagram online, is they are not engaging with their target audience. Let me tell you in detail. There are 2 ways to grow on any social media platform. First, upload engaging content, and second, engage with content. So here what you have to do, you have to decide the top 10 or 15 players of your current market. Let's say you are in London, and if you want more leads from the London, then decide the top 10, top 5 interior designers having a good following in the London, or their maybe target market is London. Go follow them and engage with every single post whenever they are going to upload. Go and comment down below valuable comment, like 2 to 3 liner comment. So let's say if an interior designer have 10,000 followers, they might be getting at least 50 to 60 comments on every single post, and you are posting one comment, valuable comment, 3 to 4 line of comment every single post. Whenever they are going to upload that post, you can turn on their post notification also. And then all those rest of the 40-50 people who are going to come to comment on that post, they're going to see your comment, read your comment, and going to definitely visit your profile. And if your profile is properly optimized, you can generate leads from there. So this is the wonderful strategy. You don't need to do much. Start with at least doing 10 comments on 10 posts of your 10 competitors. That's it. The fourth most important strategy you must use. Let's say you decided to post 3 times a week. From those 3 posts, 1 post should be of yours. You need to start uploading photo of your, let's say you recently did a recent project. Go and click that photo with the project and upload on your social media handle, on your Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all over the place. So this will going to give them more personal feel to your existing audience, to your followers, to your audience. What most of the interior designers do, they just post about their own stuff, their portfolios and all those things, but their profile don't sound personal. When you start posting your own photos with valuable captions and the proper optimized hashtag, that's where the whole game change and you can scale very easily. And the last but not the least point of this video is uploading problem solving content. Let's say you are a residential interior designer. Go on Google and type and search what are the major problem faced while someone is thinking to do their residential interior designer. Might be it's kitchen, you might be in kitchen interior designer, bathroom, in whichever niche you are. Go and figure out what are the major problems you face. And if you already in this industry from 5 to 10 years, you already know their problem. You already experienced all these things. Go and create a super valuable content, 1 minute video, carousel post, single post, IGTV video, reels you can leverage. There is a huge and immense amount of growth on the reels right now. Go and upload content around that problem. And at the end of the video, at the end of the content, at the end of the carousel post, you can give them call to action to book a call with you, or you can offer any kind of lead magnet. So now let's talk about the freebie stuff that I want to offer you. So I recently created a free ebook worth $99 and I'm giving this for free to each and everyone who is an interior designer and watching this video. There are only 2 or 3 simple steps you have to follow. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and DM me 3K on my Instagram. I will put the link of my Instagram handle in the description box and in the comment section. So this is what you can do. And I will send you that free ebook worth $99. I sell them, but right now I'm giving that for free, so you can leverage that. So just subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram 3K so that I can send you that ebook. So thank you so much for watching this video till then. I appreciate your valuable time that you spend on this video. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Till then, bye bye, and I will be coming with the part 2 of this video. Thank you so much.